3, 2, 1,
Oh, no match for a 150cc bike. The power of the 125 just can't keep up. Drag race. Because this is what you do in Vietnam, you have drag races, eh?
1, 2, 3.
Scooter! Hey! I'm getting dragged off by a scooter! Oh, this thing's got very little balls.
When I ride the scooter in town, which is the bike I normally ride in town, I'm much more sedate.
Can't help yourself.
I can't.
I think it's the sound too.
It is the sound.
Show off!
I'll give you a 5-second head start. Ready, go, go.
Alright, we're drag racing again. I've got a 5-second head start. Flat to the floor, up to the rev limiter each time. Well, it appears 5 seconds was enough.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
When you came from your V-Strom, it wouldn't feel fast, but now it feels fast.
I'll follow you. Oh yeah, baby, oh yeah. Oh man, it's far out. The difference is amazing. This thing's got balls. It flies after being on the XR125 for the last few days. This thing has got loads more power. Power! Fuel injection! Such a difference. Back on the trusty old pig now. This thing's taking me to some marvellous places. I love it.